To my YouTube channel. This video is software engineering. What is software engineering? Software engineering is branch of computer science which increase the developing and building of computer system, software and application software. Computer system software is composite of program. This include computing intelligence and operation system application software consists of user founded program. This include web browser, depart based programs, etc. There is lots of investment going into software engineering at the moment due to the increasing reliance on mobile technology, venture capital, basic startups, the growing complexity of technology, and the instruments, the demand of skill and qualified software engineering seems to have no end. This demand is staggered by a changing economic landscape and failures now connected to the internet and that are collection and sharing data all increase are quickly rising technology driven entries. Software engineering have exchanged knowledge of programming language, software developing, applica- applying these engineering principles to every stage of the developing process, from requirement analysis to the software program. They can create customer system for individual clients, just as civil engineering will make sure that is built his solid foundation. A software engineering will also bring with target study of requirement and work target the developing process. Our user have to the need help getting started a software engineering. We bring up the offer active online training and education from the most demand professional. The program are designed to develop to skill and knowledge that qualified employees will be reaching these program solely what reconstitution for our areas of your interest. More information, sign up, updates below. What does software engineering? Software engineering are highly sought after developing that live in high demand area. After receive many inquiries and a month from recommend and held at a software engineering application computer software. There are many type of software that software engineering can develop, such as operating system, computer gaming, medicine, business application, and network control system. Changing in technology and a new area of specialization keeps this professional evolving a rapid pace. When work with a client A software engineering will type calmly, analyze the client need, then complete system software system and recognition the limit of the extent hardware. The process is complete and agree before the use of demand follower and the client of along to tell the computer what to do you create conversion these interesting into a computer language coding program is useless. The responsible of computer program software engineering must also process skill and the available communication with user in order to run test and developing software always to the end program product. They are after individual training and sports strategy. Software engineering can be dwelling into two category. Application engineering creates application for business and organization by analyze the end use need. They will design, build, install and manage the application or program. System engineering coding the creation means and grow of a business computer system. The coding is developing needs technical direct and set of any network that's link up computer with the any company. Bring software engineering is great creator choosing for someone who is explanation good as both left and right brain thinking. Analytical skill is will is problem solution. Software engineering are increase program solution. Good is work with of other is foundation issues. Their successful computer or software engineering should be will visit and programming and coding, conduction and computer science, designing and orthography and data searching, information analysis, developing software, testing software. Work what is workplace of software engineering like? With the such understand grow in the multiplication of entries. Software engineering can pursue career in any numbers of area, engineering, technical, health, career, automatic, finalized, great, engineering, remote section, government, non-profit, and finance. Software engineering can work as employer is contest the type play work to comfortably setting, but is something stressful job. This long light tense fracture asks question. What is software engineering like? Setup becomes software engineering. Up to new, the average software engineering United States. Other helpful response to this video is how long does to become software engineering? Setup becoming software engineering. Short becoming software engineering. What are software engineering like? What does it to successful software engineering? What the difference software engineering and software developer? What does option are available from software engineering? This video is helpful, so please like my channel, like video, subscribe my channel to so come back latest mission updates. So thanks for watching.